Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to channel for all the gaming things. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your age in Clash of Clans. Whether you have set the wrong age during the registration or want to update it for access to specific features, I've got you covered. So let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Then open the Clash of Clans application. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain why this is important. Clash of Clans users use age to determine certain in-game features like social interaction and privacy settings. If your age is incorrect, you might face restriction or even miss out some features. But don't worry, fixing this is easier than you think. Once you are in your home screen, tap onto your settings icon. As Clash of Clans doesn't have direct setting option to change your age, instead what we can do is log into the Supercell ID with our Gmail. It gives us access to all the features and we will be able to play the game without any restrictions. And if you have entered a very low age, then we can head on to the help and support. Here we can ask help to the support team for any problem that comes while playing the game, and that's it. There is no specific option to change directly your age in Clash of Clans. These were the clever tips to continue playing Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.